today's vlog. So today we are going to do a day in the life of a content creator and full-time employee. We're currently here for a shoot that we're shooting for a brand which we're so excited about, and we just want to take you guys around.
This is our chosen location.
Yeah, so Max is currently setting up the camera, so we'll let him do that. I need to fix my lashes so they are looking better. This is the location we're filming, and I'm going to die because there are so many people, but that's what we have to do for the gram. We believe that what we're going for, which is like, you know, city life and stuff, we would like it to be like this. So let's see. Hi babe.
Hiya. We are losing light.
Yeah, so let's go. Bye.
It's a rush.
I think we had a great shoot, but we're most likely going to come back again. After shoot, decided to have a quick meal. One of our favorites.
Yep.
I have brown rice.
Oh, you had brown rice?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
First, I'm trying to go back to
Your diet. Yeah.
And I got you jasmine rice.
Oh. Yep.
Yep,
That's
and
exactly
fried
what I
onions.
like. Oh, you got me fried onions.
Because you always like mine, but you don't want to order it, so I go one. Hi guys, good morning. So, today we woke up quite, I wouldn't say I woke up quite early. I woke up at about past 8, and I kind of really took my time dressing up. But we're ready now, and we're going to shoot the look again. Unfortunately, I don't think we're very happy with what we got yesterday, so we just wanted to go and shoot again and create something that we'll be more proud of. I'm not sure we actually closed up yesterday, but I guess this is still something we're getting a hand of, so that's why maybe it's still kind of all over the place for now. This is the beginning of the outfits. Orange and orange, and wearing the orange belts as well from Tory Burch, and then I'll be wearing a jacket, which obviously I'll show you guys when we're outside. But yeah, this is the start of the look. Going out with my Crocs because it's a lot more comfortable than wearing heels to the city. And then yeah, if you want to say hi.
Hi.
We'll see how it goes, but we'll take you guys again along. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, so we're currently in location 2, and we're doing something a bit more casual, like we're walking out of the office on a Friday. We're wearing trainers. I don't wear trainers that often, but I was able to pull it off, and I still look smart because I'm wearing a shirt. Always sticking to the style, babe. So yeah, let me show you. So that's us. We're thinking of walking from there, and then we'll walk all the way down. We also went to Black Sheep and got some coffee here. So as props, so Max will be giving me coffee. So guys, we just finished filming, and if you notice, we're in a different background. Basically, what has happened is that when we were shooting previously, like some security guards came and they were like, oh, private property, blah blah blah, and that we had to leave. And that's one of the problems with vlogging, is actually finding nice places to shoot without being harassed. So that kind of took some time. So how many hours would you say this took us? Another maybe 2 hours?
2 or 3 because of the delay.
Yeah.
About 3 hours. The issue again is, you know, the all private property you can't shoot. There's never a sign, and they always have problems with tripods. Yeah. So it's like, it's not because we're shooting with a camera or something. It's the fact that you brought out a tripod. All of a sudden, the moment you bring out a tripod, it's like, oh yeah, you're taking
all hell should break loose.
Yeah, and I don't know what the app has a problem with tripods. Like everyone kind of owns a tripod these days. Yeah. Even a small one to hold your phone. Like, so I don't understand that. But yeah, obviously we have to take ourselves, and we have to use a tripod. We have no choice until we get that, you know, assistance. Yeah,
I was saying to Max that we need an assistant. Anyways, that's by the way. Babe, we're going through the wrong route. My aim is to have pepper soup and yam today, so I would see if they're still open in the city, and that will be dinner. Oh, look at that place. That place is nice. Should we just go and have a look in terms of pictures for the future? Good morning, guys. we're here in a park because we're looking to do a shoot in the park. Like that's the theme we're going for, like an autumny look. So we're in this really beautiful park here in obviously Manchester where we live, and yeah, we'll see what we can obviously shoot. Hopefully something that we really like. It's a really nice place. I'll show you guys. So it's like that, and then obviously you've got like the autumn leaves and all of that. And I actually think this is the location. It's kind of got everything we want. I would have loved for there to be like obviously more leaves on the ground, but to me this would really work. Hi guys, so guess what? It's started raining. It's been about 2 hours of shooting, and I think the rain was like, guys, it's time to go home. So yeah, we've just booked our Uber and we're going back home. We eventually actually changed locations and we went for this place instead. Oh, it's so bright. Oh yeah, that's better. We went for this place. I think it kind of tells the story we wanted a lot more.
Yeah, we might insert some pictures as well.
Yeah, we'll insert some pictures to see how it came out. Yeah,
but yeah,
definitely.
It was really good. Really good. But yeah, I can't believe it took us about 2 hours to do that.
I know. Every time we shoot a brown shoot, it takes us way longer.
Yeah,
than shooting ours.
But yeah, you always just kind of want to bring your ideas to life. You want to make it perfect. You want to take multiple clips so you don't have to do it twice. Yeah. So it's like a lot. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're happy. I think our Uber is 4 minutes. Jesus Christ. I wouldn't lie. Yeah. Super dry clothes are really good. Like after shooting this campaign, we're like, oh my god, why haven't we bought ones ever since? The quality is really good and it actually keeps you really, really warm. Like it's so nice, literally. Like not because obviously they're sponsoring obviously our Instagram page, not YouTube, but just saying that it's actually a very good brand. It's something that we'll definitely recommend.
The quality is sick.
Yeah,
it's not that expensive to be fair. Like, for the quality that you get.
No, it's not. It's really good.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some good.
Hi guys, good morning. It's been a couple of days now since our last show on here. So today I just wanted to do a little clean with me and just basically getting ready for the rest of the week. So I'm currently watching House of the Dragon. I started yesterday night and I would say it's actually really nice. Yeah, it's quite good. I love like fairy tale movies and like movies in the medieval times, so it's really up my alley and I love it. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So yesterday we had like some sort of like movie night, so the house is in a complete mess. I'll show you guys what we have to deal with. So it's really like more of this mess here, to be fair, that we have to deal with. It's not too bad, just a bit of cleaning and sorting of stuff. So guys, this is what I'm having for lunch. So we've got a bit of mango, some salad, and seared fish. Yeah, that is House of the Dragon on TV, and that is like what we used to film our reels. So I just left it there because we'll be filming in the evening. So lighting is not very great everywhere else apart from when you stand close to the window, hence why I'm always here. But let me plug you guys. So you see this sweet and juicy seedless mixed grape from Asda. Let's see. Yes, that one. You need it, guys. The grapes are very large. more like clementines, how they look, but they are the juiciest thing you've ever had. So I'll definitely say that you should go to Asda and buy it. It's like £1.80, less than £2 anyway. Next, I'm going to be eating, having lunch, and then I'm going to do a bit of work because I still have my 9 to 5. Zach's went to work today, so it's just me on a Wednesday alone. And thank you everyone that has been saying my hair isn't too bad. To be honest, it's still something I have to get used to. I can't wait for it to grow a bit longer. I've had like loads of comments on Instagram just saying that my hair isn't too bad, so I want to say thank you. Anyways, enough of my talking.
Right guys, so we are right here at Elizabeth fantastic event, capsule clinic. I've learned so much about my skin in the last 10 minutes that I've ever learned about my skin. So yeah, it's interesting for men to have, you know, some skincare routine, and they've just been encouraging me to do that, so it's quite nice. But, hey.
Just came to try out their capsules. So basically we've just been trying out the products and seeing how they work. Each area is decorated with a theme that shows what the capsule does. So we've got this one here, which is vitamin C, and because the vitamin C is in a capsule, apparently it lasts longer because there's no light exposed to it and all of that. This is how it comes, and I think they've got 4. So this is vitamin C. It's meant to brighten your skin, minimize the look of dark spots as well. So that is interesting. The capsule is biodegradable. It means that like your product stays potent and is protected throughout like the 30 or 60-day period. This one is for 60 days because it's the bigger one, and then they've also got one for 30 days as well. Always remember to bring it to reproach wherever you are.
I know. The way it was acted up. Nice back.
We need to fix it. So guys, we're in this really beautiful bathroom that has like so many balloons and stuff, but I'll show you guys later. So the next one is the hyaluronic acid. I actually really do love hyaluronic acid because I've heard good things about it and it kind of works well for my skin, so it's something I really like. So they say that basically this one is actually very potent because obviously hyaluronic acid degrades with light. So because these are in the capsule, that prevents it from, you know, being destroyed by light. So it's very potent and it's precise because one capsule is for one skincare regime. They actually prescribed 2 different ones for us, and mine was retinol to help with like refreshing your skin, making your skin feel tighter, and they also gave me hyaluronic acid because I've got hyperpigmentation. So it's something that was really nice to try. Guys, just take a look at Max. He has really tried to take pictures, different positions. They've not been very successful. It's a really beautiful place.
Like I'm in a bubble bath.
We took some pictures here
On the Polaroid.
on the Polaroid. Cute. There we are.
Remember this.
Yeah.